What is chart? A chart is a graphical representation of data. Charts make it easier for us to understand large quantities of data. They help us see and visualize the relationship between different data values. Components of chart. So you can see here a table where there are three columns. In first column is of year, which will go to the x-axis, and B and C are the amount, which will go to the y-axis. So you can see here the table of the company A. So here this is called the data table because it is referred to the set of data values from which the chart is derived. So here you can see in the x-axis there is years, and in the y-axis there is amount, which are the revenue and the expenditure. What is category axis? X-axis, it is the horizontal axis of the chart, also known as category axis. What is value axis? It is vertical axis of the chart, is also known as the value axis. The value of each of the data point is plotted on this axis. On the top of the chart table, you can see there written details of company A. So that is the chart title. It is usually placed at the top of the chart and help the user understand what information the chart represents. What is chart area? It refers to the area within which all the chart components are placed. It is often surrounded by a border. So in the chart you can see a thick border round is the chart area, and inside which the component of the charts are present. Plotter area, the rectangular area bounded by the two axes, that is the x-axis and the y-axis. So that area where the chart is mentioned inside the chart area, so that is the plot area. Legend, you can see there revenue and the expenditure is mentioned with two color, blue and orange. So that is the legend. What is legend? It identifies the data series. A unique color or the pattern is assigned to each data series to make it easier to distinguish it visually. So here in the chart you can see the revenue is marked with blue and the expenditure is marked with orange. So these are the legend. Next we'll go with the grid line. So you can see there horizontal line, dim horizontal line at the back of the chart is the grid line. These lines that runs across the plot area from each category on the x-axis from each value on the y-axis. They make it easier to identify the value of each data point on the chart. Chart label, a label that provides additional information about a data point on a chart. In the next class, we'll study the type of charts in Excel. So whatever the question answers are discussed in the presentation, you have to write it down in your notebook. Thank you, class.